Brotherhood roundabout, we'll be turning right exit 3 into a slip road. On approach, but it's safe to do so, take the right lane. I'm now going to wait for this van to pass me on the signal right and switch lanes when safe. So on approach, I'm staying in the very inside lane, signal right, minding the cars to my left. So this will be the default lane to take, but then here we need to be really careful and watch for the traffic in the left lane, because here we need to spiral out to the outside, and actually from the middle lane on the roundabout you can also turn right. And then left signal and take in the slip road, exit 3. Accelerate and join the dual carriageway when safe. Rely on your mirror in the first place. Check for a blind spot. On the roundabout, on approach is still right. So I'm switching lanes here. Mind the arrows here, we have left straight and straight right. That means if you want to go right, you should approach in the right lane. Actually, I'm going to cancel the signal here, because I'm going to try to take the middle lane on the roundabout, depending on the traffic to my left. So that's what you need to consider when choosing a lane here. Your default will be right. Many drivers don't realize you can also turn right from the middle lane, and they may be surprised by your position. So here I'm checking my left mirror and I'm following into the middle lane, and then I'm going to spiral out along this lane into the outside, like so, constantly checking mirrors for any traffic next to me, left and right.